Ingredients for making pepper soup. UDA seeds, Aziza seeds, Ihuru seeds, Yuya.
Cameroon pepper dried, crayfish, and salt and Maggi.
Please, you can use any type of meat you want. You can use only goat meat.
Wash the meat and transfer it into a pot.
Cut the meats if it's big.
Transfer the meat into a pot and bring to boil.
For the intestine, I wash and transferred it into a pot separate.
After boiling it for some time, I will take it down to wash after 10 minutes.
That will reduce the essence of fat and the bad smell in the intestine.
After washing, I will cut it to my taste before transferring it in a pot.
Mix all the spice and add them to the pepper soup, both the intestine and meat. Taste for salt, add more pepper. I added enough water inside the pepper soup. This is the water which is needed. If the fat or oil in the pepper soup is much, use bigger spoon to bring it out.
Sizzle in the pan like a fiery spark. Whiskling fast, making culinary art. Dash of spice, add a pinch, don't miss the mark.
The
Cooking's not a task, it's a beating heart.
The pepper soup is ready to serve. Now, thanks for watching. Any questions? Please drop it in a comment.
If you like it, my dear, subscribe.
Spice, add a pinch, don't miss the mark. Cooking's not a task, it's